Sasken ટેકના CMD રાજીવ મોદી આપણી સાથે જોડાઈ ગયા છે. રાજીવ સર, ગુડ आफ्टरनून. स्वागत है सर शो पर. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन सर ऑन स्ट्रॉन्ग सेट ऑफ नंबर्स. आज काउंटर भी काफ़ी पॉजिटिव रिएक्ट कर रहा है. सर शुरुआत करेंगे सबसे पहले. आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग टाइम हम देख रहे हैं QOQ एंड YOY बेसिस रेवेन्यू में काफ़ी इंप्रूवमेंट है. कितना सस्टेनेबल है ये सर?
I think the reason for our growth is a focus that we have created around 60 by 4 by 3 and also focus on large deal wins. So during the quarter four, we had deal wins of total $28 million, out of which I think 16 or 17 million were new deals and remaining were renewals. So we are seeing a good momentum primarily in semiconductors, automotive, and the GICs, the India centers. So I think we are driving our strategic focus for growth, and we have seen good results around that in the quarter four.
ओके सर ऑन मार्जिन्स फ्रंट जो कि आपने मेंशन किया था, मार्जिन्स फिर भी लोअर इन द नियर टर्म, तो ये नेक्स्ट आने वाले 2 क्वार्टर्स के लिए हो सकता है या फिर कब हम एक इम्प्रूवमेंट वहाँ पे देखेंगे?
Margins, by the way, have been impacted primarily because of 2 reasons. One, there's an upfront investment we have made in a program that we have engaged with our customers. So there's a cost associated with that in Q4, which is not going to be recurring. And second is we have invested in adding headcount for future growth, and we are expecting to grow, continue our momentum of growth that we have seen in the coming quarters as well as the full year. So I think for that reason, we have gone and invested in headcount. During the quarter, we have added 158 and the net adds have been positive, as well as attrition is down to 7%. And the third vector, which is positive, is I think the overall growth momentum, the order booking. So all 3 things are going to help improve the margins. Utilization has improved in quarter 4, and we expect the utilization to continue to improve in quarter 1, quarter 2. We think that will bring the EBIT margins down as the investments that we have made in the silicon business. There we expect quarter 1 and quarter 2 to be negative, but then it will be accretive and be positive starting quarter 3. And Japan, where we are growing our business in Japan. There also we expect the EBIT to be negative, but on a consolidated basis, starting quarter 2, we will be positive overall from a company perspective.
ओके सर. एंड सर फॉर फाइनेंशियल ईयर 25 रेवेन्यू ग्रोथ कैसा देख रहे हैं? आई नो यू वॉन्ट बी एबल टू गिव गाइडेंस, बट ओवरऑल अगर देखें ग्रोथ रेवेन्यू फ्रंट पर आप कैसे देख रहे हैं?
Well, we don't normally give guidance, but we are seeing good growth momentum. We expect good growths in upper teens in the FY25.
लो डिजिट सर रहेगा, मिड डिजिट, लो मिड डिजिट, वो अगर आप शेयर कर सके.
आपने पूछा इसलिए देन आई से.
आई नो सर. ग्रेट सर. तो ओवरऑल एक ग्रोथ यहाँ से हम देख रहे हैं, बट ऑर्डर बुक सर कैसे देख रहे हैं? वहाँ पर कैसा परफॉर्मेंस है, क्या अपडेट है ऑन ऑर्डर बुक फ्रंट?
आई एम सॉरी, आई डिडंट गेट द क्वेश्चन.
ऑर्डर बुक सर कैसे है कंपनी की?
Is looking good, and we are adding. So for example, in quarter 4, we added 28 million of existing as well as renewals, new revenues. So we have added that, and we continue that momentum as we move forward.
ओके सर. Q4 अगर डील विंस की बात करें, जैसे मेंशन किया $29 मिलियन, वहाँ पर ये रन रेट आप कैसे देख रहे हैं और कैसे आगे मेंटेन करेंगे आप? क्या प्लानिंग से?
Once a number.
से डील विंस फॉर Q4 वेर ऑन $29 मिलियन, तो वो रन रेट आप कैसे देख रहे हैं?
Revenue run rate we are expecting, like I said, overall to grow full year in mid-teens in FY25.
ओके सर. मैक्सिमम डील मोमेंटम के बारे में मैं जानना चाहूँगी इन टर्म्स ऑफ जियोग्राफी, सेक्टर्स, कहाँ से एक ड्राइविंग फोर्स आपको दिख रहा है?
I think we are seeing good growth and deal signs happening from United States, from Europe, as well as we are growing with the GICs in India. All three areas, and we have just started our silicon business, and that should add to the revenues also in this 4 quarters. Japan business should also add to the revenues in 4 quarters. So I think we are overall driving growth from on all the vectors, and that's what giving us the confidence on achieving our mid-teen to higher teen growth in the FY25.
ओके सर, राजीव सर, लास्टली जानना चाहूँगी ओवरऑल डिमांड के बारे में अगर बात करें, डिमांड एनवायरनमेंट आप कैसे देख रहे हैं अभी?
I think in the areas that we are servicing, we are seeing good demand environment, primarily in automotive, semiconductors, as well as in digital. So we are feeling confident in terms of our ability to service the demand environment in these sectors.
ओके, ग्रेट सर, काफ़ी डिटेल्स राजीव सर आपने हमारे साथ शेयर की. थैंक यू फॉर कनेक्टिंग एंड बेस्ट विशेस फॉर कमिंग क्वार्टर्स. थैंक यू सर.